mad right now because I just realized that like this editing software that I'm using at the moment, because the other one isn't working, does not capture computer audio or whatever. So that's really annoying, and I can't play music in the background, so it's just gonna be me talking, and but yeah, but you know, fuck it. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be making looks of some high scorers on MSP. If you didn't already know, I play on the New Zealand server, so that's why like the highest player is only 73. I say only like I'm any better, but like I know that on the USA server and stuff, people are like probably level 100 by now. I mean, yeah, NZ is kind of small, so it's what you would expect, but I thought this would be fun because, yeah, obviously, oops, I didn't mean to do, oh, never mind, because obviously high scorers will have a lot of stuff, so you can be really creative, and I absolutely love, I chose Lena first, or Lena, I don't know, first because, I don't know, I absolutely love her makeup, and her skin color is just so pretty. Everyone's skin color is pretty. Yeah, okay. I'm not racist, but like, I just wanted to make an outfit around like a little bit of a darker skin tone, because usually I mean, I'm not like making fun of the skin color that I picked, but it's like a little bit yellow. No offense to my younger self. Anyway, I'm kind of just rambling on about random things because I don't want to offend anyone. I think I want to do dark hair for this look, or maybe light if I find like a really pretty one. But yeah, I guess I'll like be back when I've finished the look. Okay, so this is the final result of the look that I made for this, and I don't really know like what it is, but it's kind of like, I don't know, but I absolutely love it, and to be honest, I would totally 100% wear this. I actually, for the, whatever this is called, the bottoms, I guess, I think it's a rare. I don't know if it is. I don't even play MSP anymore, but I think that it is. I have some faint memory that it is, but overall, like, it was kind of rushed because I kind of gave up, but I would 100% wear this if it had a little bit different makeup, and I love it. And I'm actually gonna screenshot it just so in case I ever decide to like play MSP for good again and like get VIP or something, I don't know. Next person that I'm gonna do is this person, Janik. I don't usually do guys at all. I don't think I ever really did, so this might go terribly. I don't know how to dress boys at all. Sorry, but I'm gonna do my best, and yeah. Blackout fucking, I'm blowing her back out, WWE, if she fucking with me, put the pussy in SmackDown, gang, and this is the trap house, I'm in a condo, you know I'm up now, I didn't know how to use the computer, bitch, I'm in the Mac out, gang. This is, but I fucking hate it, and it took me like 2 minutes because I just rushed it because, oh my god, I just hate doing men, like what the fuck is this? Oh my, I'm sorry. Actually, like, it's not that bad, it's just, like, what the actual hell have I done? You know when you like, you start off really carefully, like, and then you just say screw it and just put on a bunch of random shit because you just want to get it over and done with. Yeah. I don't think I'm gonna do any more guys, cause that is really stressful. No. Okay, so next time I'm gonna do this, person, Argenta, because I wanted to do someone that looks a little bit less human. Like, I love this look so much. I love, like, the non-human looks. I think they look so cute on MSP. Like this. Oh my god. Like, yes, please. It's so pretty. It is so pretty. But yeah, I'm gonna do her, and I'll be back when I'm done. Okay, so this is the look that I made for her, and I went really over the top, but I honestly love it so much. Like, I would 100% wear this. At the end, I kind of just gave up and gave her, like, random shoes and stuff, so it doesn't really match completely, and it could definitely be better, but it's really, whoa. That's cute. Okay. Yeah. So I don't know if I even submitted that one, but oh well. I'm gonna do one more probably, and then I'm gonna go, cause yeah. So I'm gonna do another girl, cause I've learned from my mistakes, and I do not want to do. Actually, wait, I want to do Scarlett. Oh my gosh, this is like my old friend. I recently talked to her on Instagram because I was like looking at my old YouTube channel, and like all the memories came back, and I remembered Scarlett. She used to comment on my videos and stuff, and yeah, we actually live pretty close. But I met her on MSP. I can't really remember how, but probably in a chat room. I'm gonna give her a makeover because why not? Oh my god. Okay, so basically, I made this really good look before of her, and I accidentally clicked off it and lost it, and then I had to remake it, so I just made it really quickly because I have to go in a minute, and I fucking hate it. And it just does not go together, and it looks so bad, but I love this hair, and I love this green top, and I just want to say everything in her wardrobe is so cute. Like, I could not, this took me so long. Like, not this one, but the one before, and then I accidentally clicked off it, cause, yeah. But, yeah, yeah, I'm gonna go. I have to go. But if you want to buy this look, oh, that is not it. Okay, well, I gotta go, but have a good night or day. It's 4 days to my birthday, just about 3, because my birthday's on a Friday, and today is Monday. Wait, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yeah, that's like 3 days, 4 days, I don't know. Yeah. Yeah, so, have a good day, like and subscribe. Don't actually, because I really don't want anyone other than myself to find this YouTube channel. It's just for my own purposes. Yeah, for my science, I had to make yogurt, and they gave like the, what's it called? No, you just had to make the yogurt yourself. And I just don't get it. I just don't get it because all you had to do was boil the milk, and then you had to like add just plain yogurt to it. Like, what the hell? Like, that doesn't change anything. Like, what? I mean, like, what? It's hurting my brain. Like, I had to do this whole experiment on it and write all this shit down when it was literally no point, because it was just adding milk to yogurt. Like, what? Like, hello? Are you mentally stable? But yeah. Also, cowpox virus is the vaccination for smallpox. So, take that as a fact, and yeah, hopefully you learned something from that today. Okay, so thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys